Alright, we're here at the Kansas City Museum. They are going to have some Dickens Carolers or some really cool festive hot chocolates and things that we can have. Let's go check it out. And I think this house is called the Corinthian House.
So the Corinthian house is in front of me, but look at this house behind me. Oh my Lanta, that is so pretty.
Wait, Corinthian Hall. This is Corinthian Hall.
Lumber baron and civic leader Robert A. Long built Corinthian Hall in 1910 as a 4-story Beaux Art style mansion on Gladstone Boulevard in Kansas City, Missouri.
You did.
The home was named after the distinctive Corinthian columns in the front. In 1939, Long's 2 daughters donated Corinthian Hall to the Kansas City Museum Association, and the museum opened to the public in 1940.
Hello. As well.
Oh, shoot. All right. That's amazing.
And then maybe a fairy temple soda.
Okay, so we got here and we had no idea that there was some kind of Christmas princess program going on, and everybody's here. They're all dressed up ready for Christmas pictures, the fairy princess, and we're like the only 2 adults without kids, and it felt a little weird until we found out what was going on. Hilarious. But we're here, we're about to taste some peppermint sleigh hot cocoa. Karen got a some kind of cherry cola thing, and Shasta ginger ale. Okay, I was wrong. It is not a hot chocolate. It is an ice cream sundae. Oh my word. I am going to try Karen's, whatever this is.
Something. It's a fairy temple.
A fairy temple. Here we go. You can have your drink now. But check out this ice cream. It's amazing.
Peppermint sleigh.
Oh man, I love peppermint. That's gonna be awesome.
We could have maybe shared it.
Here we go.
I think there's peppermint syrup in it.
Oh, it's so good. I love peppermint so much. Look, it even has a Ghirardelli, what do you call those? It even has Ghirardelli peppermint bars.
It's a little pepperminty.
It's a lot pepperminty and I love it.
But it is called a peppermint sleigh. So.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. I think Karen's gonna play some pool. I don't know how to play pool. Should you look at this? It's pool.
Even pretended.
I know, I saw that.
Even a foul. Missed it. Ah, missed it.
I don't think she's very good at this game.
Years that is. She said she wasn't gonna play, but
What do I do? Just hit it? I mean, am I holding this right?
I have no idea. Well, that was not how you do it.
I told you I didn't know how to play. I don't know if I remember how to play Chinese checkers. Look at those. Look at these ornaments. Oh my gosh. Okay, so far this is my favorite tree, like ever. These are so cool. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
And so my next one would be do. And then we would do that. And then do that. And do that.
Yay! Woo! She won the game of Chinese checkers.
Left it better than we found it.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Yes, do not touch.
Wow, Pennsylvania Quaker.
Oh,
First Grandma Chapel. Married Robert Alexander Long. She devoted her life to charity. This is really well done work down.
mm-hmm. That outfit not scream Nancy Drew to you? It does to me.
Okay, you're in.
This is gorgeous. Alright, y'all, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.